Hello everybody, Pepsi here again. Thought you'd take a quick rundown of how we RC'd the train. As you can see, it's apart here. Okay, so what we got is a battery operated $15 train set from the Warehouse Limited. The link will be in the description. What we've done is we've taken it apart, obviously. Here's the inside of that one, and here's this one. What we've done also is we've got the RC unit, or the radio control unit, out of, again, a warehouse purchase of $35. Link in the description below of one of the big, I don't have one here obviously because I've taken it apart, but they have big wheels like that for the RC unit. I just brought this one because it's got the 4 outlets, so I can control 4 different props from the RC unit. Okay, there's the RC unit, and there's the battery pack that goes with it. And what I have to do is I have to try and fit all that in there. Now I've done that without these batteries, but what we're going to do is we're going to put them up like this into a pyramid, and we're going to put them in here, and then we'll be able to shut that down. We'll put the RC unit in here like that into the battery operated train. In fact, we might even try, just while I'm here with you, yeah, we should be able to modify that to actually make it go in here, maybe take that out, but otherwise it goes in there not quite nicely anyway. We just need to solder the wires on and connect these wires up. That's the white one, there's the antenna, and this is the battery in and out, so that one just goes straight into the battery pack over here, and away you go. And next minute you'll have an RC train working. As you will see, there will be a link above and in the description. Well, I really hope you enjoyed this quick video. Have a great day. Pepsi out.